Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, October 14th. So the SPY rallied into a new all-time high last week. We broke out of that barcode. This 470, 139 that we traded back and forth is now a key level of interest on a pullback that coincides with this 20-day moving average. Until then, we'll see how much this wants to continue to push up. So let's go into our 30-minute time frame. And here's the potential scenarios we talked about. So pretty much got the consolidation and the breakup, right? And now we like here in the pre-market, we talked about this, and this VWAP becoming support. So we rejected. We got above that VWAP. So maybe this is a key level. Is this 577.40 area? So if this breaks our daily VWAP here today, pushes up, we get a bounce at VWAP and actually start to get trapped. We'll monitor that 2-day VWAP at 579, 580. Maybe the 2-day VWAP, 1-day VWAP play gives us continuation, or maybe this price action pulls a little bit deeper down into that 577, 575 level. However, like I said, these are situations I'm looking for. So we got a half hour till the opening drive. We're continuing to pump. So will there be some profit taking into this new all-time high, or will the chase continue and push this up into maybe five? We could put a fib extension here of doing it wrong though. Here, this way. So maybe this wants to get up to 588, 587 area, and maybe see that 600 round number. So some price action and key levels I'm looking for the SPY. Monitor the daily VWAP at 580. If we start to break underneath that, monitor a further decline down into this 2-day VWAP 579. Right, so that could be a potential short into this 2-day. However, we're above this rising 5-day moving average, so I'd rather be avoiding it and waiting for the dip buy and give the benefit to the buyers and the intermediate trend here. So let's get into the QQQ. Qs are continuing to push up. We're breaking out of this area that we talked about on Friday and last week. So same thing here. We broke out, undercut that VWAP from Thursday, the 19th of September, and now we're breaking out of this consolidation area. So this was what we talked about in Friday's video, this gap fill, and maybe this wants to just end up pushing to all-time highs, and it's got a magnet up here, this 504. I'll be monitoring on this 2-minute time frame a pullback down into this 494 area for the day, and see if we could get a little bit of higher highs and higher lows, and maybe get some trend continuation and give us that push to the all-time high. And the next key level I'll be monitoring is the 2-day VWAP here at this 592, this 592 to 593 area, and we're monitoring there. So if we just maybe we wait, we could get a play of VWAP, bounces back up, and we'll be monitoring the VWAP from that high. If that VWAP could start to become support, then we could start to get some trend alignment with that previous sell-off and the daily VWAP and look for that continuation. If we break beneath this VWAP here, so if we rally and then start to get stuck, that's what I'm talking about, this 593, maybe get a bounce there, and then a little deeper quick pullback to 492, and then it could get going again. So then we'd be looking for this daily VWAP. If it starts to get broken, if anything, start to act as support and give us evidence that the buyers are regaining control. So hopefully this was helpful.